Exactly a year ago in this convention centre, Scratch announced the launch of North America's Star Nail Artist, an online nail art contest that invited techs from Mexico, the USA and Canada to showcase their skills. Sponsors CND, Light Elegance, Gelish Le Chat, Glitterbels and the Gel Bottle Inc. jumped in to show their support, and entry was then open to budding contestants. A top 40 was announced, and these contestants dusted off their nail art brushes and got to grips with new products in the bid to become champion. 6 monthly challenges ensued, each requiring a nail art designed to a set brief, with a video step-by-step to complement. Challenge 1 commenced in October and was set by founding sponsor CND. The brief was stylishly spooky, and contestants had to use CND enhancement products to build a haunted house across 5 nails. To get in the spirit even more, contestants were also required to tell a scary story in their videos. Kelsey Mackay, Jenny Shaw and Michelle Soto soared into the top 3 with their creations, while Aisha Corcoran, Cheryl Derivi, Claire Pitts, Rebecca Mazzillo and Rochelle Dingman entered the wildcard stage. To fight for their place in the contest, these 5 contestants had to paint a Halloween design without using black, white or orange on a single nail. We said goodbye to Claire, Rebecca and Rochelle, and Aisha and Cheryl moved to the next round. For Challenge 2, Light Elegance saw its Global Education Director, Elaine Watson, vanish after pulling an all-nighter to finalise the Blinkform instructional videos. Contestants needed to rescue Elaine and unlock the secrets of Blinkforms through boundary-pushing designs. Jessica Vero, Erin Pashk and Kelsey Waldo scored highest with their oh-so-innovative designs. Zara Vega, Michelle Soto, Crystal Aravalo, Cheryl Derivi and Aisha Corcoran moved into the wildcard deck, and it was Crystal and Michelle who moved into Challenge 3 with their optical illusion nail designs. The next challenge was set by the Gel Bottle Inc. and encouraged contestants to manifest their 2025 goals and dreams onto nails using Design X Pro extensions and TGB products. Anastasia Totti, Kelsey Waldo and Michelle Soto came out on top, and 7 contestants moved into the wildcard deck. 3 of these pros clawed their way into Challenge 4, Amberly Robinson, Aura Ponte Flores and Tatiana Savostikova. The brief set by Gelish challenged the contestants' hand painting skills. They used the brand Spring Collection, now on Zen, to create a design on one hand based on the collection's themes. In the top 3 for the second challenge in a row were Michelle Soto, Kelsey Waldo and Anastasia Totti, while 10 competitors moved into the wildcard deck as the contest heated up. Amberly Robinson, Elizabeth Sitterland, Erin Pashk and Lila Wen saved their space in the contest, and we said goodbye to Aspen, Isabel, Kelsey Mackay, Rebecca Compton, Tina and Julia. The penultimate challenge was set by Le Chat based on the theme Change and Transformation. The brief was to create 5 fantasy-style nails using Le Chat products, and Hirsch Hunty, Jessica Vero and Anastasia Totti impressed the judges the most. By this point, 18 competitors remained, and only 10 could go through to Challenge 6. 12 battled it out in the wildcard deck to create a nail design inspired by a woman in the beauty industry. It was Amberly, Aura, Elizabeth and Hope who joined our top 3 alongside Jane, Kelsey and Michelle. The last core challenge came courtesy of Glitterbels, who sent a big product bundle so our top 10 could create a unicorn enchanted forest across 5 nails. The design had to feature sculpted elements, and all contestants were playing for points. Jessica, Anastasia and Michelle were in the top 3, a possible sign of things to come. But it was all to play for as competitors tried for bonus points in a floral nail art challenge. This secured our top 3 contestants, and here they are tonight.